raised to power m is equivalent to a divided by b all raised to power m. Good. So let's apply it here. We can have 4 over 3 all raised to power y is equal to 81 divided by 64. Alright, let's find the value of y in this equation. Solution. Given 4 raised to power y plus 3 is equal to 3 raised to power y plus 4. We are required to find y. Very simple. Recall in indices that a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m is a raised to power m minus n. Also, this one is for division. A raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power m. So we are going to use the multiplication to apply here. So this is equivalent to this. So 4 raised to power y plus 3 is same as 4 raised to power y multiplied by 4 raised to power 3, which is same as 4 raised to power y multiplied by 4 raised to power 3. So you have 64. Good. Similarly, 3 raised to power y plus 4 is same as 3 raised to power y multiplied by 3 raised to power 4, which is 3y multiplied by 81. Now let's equate it together. We have 4 raised to power y multiplied by 64. 4 raised to power y multiplied by 64 is equals to 3 raised to power y multiplied by 81. Good. Now divide through. Divide through by 3 raised to power y multiplied by 64. Good. So we have here 4 raised to power y multiplied by 64. Then divided by 3 raised to power y multiplied by 64. This is equal to 3 raised to power y multiplied by 81 divided by 3 raised to power y multiplied by 64. Good. Remember, we are dividing through by 3 raised to power y multiplied by 64. So 64 can cancel 64 here. 3y can cancel 3y here. And we have 4 raised to power y divided by 3 raised to power y is equal to 81 over 64. Now, note from indices that a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m is equivalent to a divided by b all raised to power m. Good. So let's apply it here. We can have 4 over 3 all raised to power y is equal to 81 divided by 64. Right. Next step. Take the logarithm of both sides. Okay. I will have all raised to power y is equal to log or bracket 81 divided by 4. M raised to power p is same as p log m. Similarly, log a divided by b is same as log a minus log b. So let's apply these two rules over this. Here now, we apply this one. Then 4 and 3, we apply this one. For 81 and 64. 81 and 64, we apply this one. Alright, so let's go. I will have y log 4 minus log 3. Okay? y log 4 minus log 3. This log 4 minus log 3 is because of 4 divided by 3. I have applied this rule. So y is multiplying this entire logarithm. This is equal to, here it will be log 81 minus log 64. So now divide through by the coefficient of y, which is log 4 minus log 3. That is what we are going to divide through. So I will have y equals log 81 minus log 64 divided by log 4 minus log 3. Because this log 4 minus log 3, when you use it to divide here, this log 4 minus log 3 will cancel each other, remaining 1. That is why we have 1 here. So log 81 minus log 64 divided by this, we have something like this. So this is the value of y. So let's further express it. Let's further find the value of log 64 divided by log 4 minus log 3. This is same as 0.1023 divided by, remember this is y, log 4 minus log 3, 0.1249. We have 0.1249. This is equal to 0.8191. Therefore, y is equal to 0.8191 approximately. Okay? Now let's check. Remember, we have here 4 raised to power y plus 3. So given 4 raised to power y plus 3 is equals to 3 raised to power y plus 4. But substituting for y, so I can have 4 raised to power y is bracket 0.8191 plus 3 is it equal to 3 raised to power 0.8191 plus 4. So we can have here 4 raised to power 3.8191. Will it give us 3 raised to power 4.8191? So let's check 4 raised to power 3.8191. So we have here 199.21 is equals to 0.21. 0.21 is equals to 3 raised to power 4.8191 is equal to 199.20. If you approximate it to one decimal place, you now have 199.2 is equal to 199.2 to 1 decimal place. So the value of y is equal to 0.8191 is correct. Alright, this is how you can solve this simple problem. Okay, now a quick recap. We were given 4 raised to power y plus 3 equals 3 raised to power y plus 4. We are required to find y. What we have done, we applied this rule and still subsequently applied this division rule. So 4 raised to power y plus 3 using multiplication rule. So we distribute it to be 4 raised to power y plus 64 because 4 raised to power 3 is 64. 3 raised to power y plus 4, we had 3 raised to power y multiplied by 81. So we divided through by 3y. So we divided through by 3 raised to power y multiplied by 64 to have 4 raised to power y divided by 3 raised to power y equals 81 divided by 64. Now to get this, then we took the logarithm of both sides and then applied division rule of logarithm. Okay? Applied division rule of logarithm. We further divided through by 4 log 4 minus log 3. So we further divided through by log 4 minus log 3. 0.8191 as the value of y. Okay? So we have substituted and still confirmed that both left hand side and right hand side are equal. So y is 0.8191. Thank you.